Okay. So like you see, I created one bottle, kept it here, kept it here, kept it here. I can do that, and then I can create the can also. Then those boxes, carton, fridge, everything will create one by one and fix everything. Now those curtains are also there. We'll create those curtains also. So this curtain I can see fold back and forth folds. I can see clearly like one, two, three, four, five. Right. So I can create this curtain super easily. Go to line, smooth, smooth. I'm just using smooth option. Three, four, done. Just apply extrude. There's something called extrude modifier on your line. Okay. Okay. Once this extrude doesn't work because it's not closed, there's one more modifier named planar. Where it is? Where is my planner? Planner is not there. Very poly, everything will go because nothing is there. There. Line. Okay. Use the rectangular this thing, thickness, reduce the thickness, height and all I can increase, polygon. See, instantly curtains are ready. Front, set. And okay, backside, I guess I have that solid wall. I have to push that wall. Slightly extra. And then I can like just like modify this thing. Let's see this one. Okay, these particular section. Only middle one. This one supposed to be glass. So okay, I'll select this, attach with this one, this one, this one, these, this, all of them, and this one are glass. Detach it. Material. We have created a transparent thing. Apply it. So you can see the moment I applied, I can see this thing curtains very easily. and place it properly without intersection. You see, like side by side, you can see with the things are it's coming together now. Slowly, we're generating all the shapes and everything. So this curtain is there, so I'll push it slightly inside and place it here, duplicate it, and create those variations slightly by pulling all the vertices. Simply, we'll create that. We'll create this section also. Like this, one by one, we have to add all the details and create the entire shape. So you can see without the reference also, this thing, it looks like this only. You can generate things very easily, super quickly. And it's like you can see, it's, there are most of the parts are very simple. There most of the parts are boxes, and few parts are have complex shape and geometry. Those things will create. Let's save my file. So do this. I'll just take the attendance quickly. I'm running out of time. Oh, not this one. Okay, Akshay is present. Ashwin is present. Yuda is present. Preem was present. Gopinath present. And this is, and this one is, oh, he is absent. He messaged me, yes. Okay. So, start like creating this. If you want, you can try out the texture part also. But if you are facing difficulty, no problem. It's not important. It's not like mandatory. But model you have to create because it's all about modeling. So model you have to create the model and try, do not wait for me. If you want, you can go ahead and create whatever you want. If there is any issue you're facing, get back to me. I'll solve it. And if there's any problem in model, and definitely send me your models. Until you send me your model, I cannot check it and cannot correct you. So because modeling is, it's not just about the creating the shape, correct way of creating, like polygon wise correct, and there's no unwanted loops, unwanted some any things, all those, it's all about that. So clean geometry is very important. So send me your file, we'll check it and we'll discuss that. And I guess as per the schedule, classes are Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I planned it like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday there is no class. Thursday, Friday we have class. Monday, Tuesday continuous class, and Wednesday 1 day break so that you can work on your file, and then Thursday, Friday you have again class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.
Sir,
Yes.
when is
Yeah.
the last submission date?
Last submission. Last submission there is time.
Like, okay.
Like, for last
I
submission,
mean, for this model,
for this
for
one,
this model, I think.
once we finish it, it will take this entire week at least for finishing. So whenever we finish after that, will whichever week we're finishing, next week will be a submission for this thing. Like
Okay,
suppose
sir.
we finish it this week, so next week Wednesday will be a submission. If we continue this like it's entire thing next till next week, also stretch it. So from next to next week will be a submission for this one. Okay. I'll mention. I'll tell you like when to submit.
So one
Like
question, sir.
Saturday,
Yes.
So the question is, so first we will create a login account in epicgames.com,
Yes.
and the second step we have to install the Quixel Bridge.
Yes.
Then when we open it, after installing, when we open it, then we have to go to the login with epicgames.com.
Yes.
Epic Games option, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Correct. Yeah. Okay. And this Quixel Bridge, you will get it from Quixel.com. I forgot to tell you. Or you can just simply
Okay.
Google Quixel Bridge. We'll get the site. It's a Quixel site, and there they have download page. One second.
Sir, Saturday will be here class, sir. Like
Yes,
discussion
Saturday.
time.
Yes, of course. That is there. It's the Saturday thing is there. So if you go to
Okay, sir.
quicksell.com, if you go to products, you have bridge mixture. So mixture is not required. Just download this bridge and install it.
Okay, sir.
Okay then.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye bye. Take
Thank you,
care.
sir. Thank you, sir.
And work on your files regularly and send me update. Okay.
Okay, sir. We work on it.